This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Anita Farley-Guynes. Coming soon Sunday, April 16, 2023. Open house Sunday, April 16, 2023 to 4 p.m. Massey Creek Subdivision Hardin Valley. This beautiful house can become your new beautiful home. From the moment you enter through the stately front door, you will feel the warmth. The inviting cathedral ceiling great room with stacked stone natural gas fireplace is a showstopper. And the fabulous open concept kitchen complete with gas stove, in-cabinet microwave, D/West, stainless steel sink, upgraded refrigerator, granite countertops, all envelope the huge center island. Breakfast area and a formal dining room complete the living area. Full laundry room and half bath off kitchen. 2-car garage that hosts the tankless water heater. Comfy screen room with cable TV off, great room for entertaining or relaxing. And a grilling deck to boot. Huge master bedroom with ensuite on main level. Upstairs are 3 additional bedrooms and a bath. 1 upstairs bedroom with ensuite, huge bonus bedroom over garage perfect for office. Outside is a nice fenced backyard and firepit area. Oversized crawl space with storage. And just around the corner is the community pool. Come see this beautiful home.Buyer to verify all measurements and information. For more information, review the details below or contact Anita Farley-Guynes at 865-687-1111.